come for you while I matter. Not the grace. Eh? I've been who they call DNA, CNN, all those local champions, dead among the livings. What's it been a problem?
You are dead. Emonubiel are dead.
Take care of themselves. That cannot even construct a simple sentence. Coming to command my own Godfather. God punish all of una.
Punish you. Okay,
precious man.
Okay, where you precious man you there?
Wait.
Kuwekeru walanya.
Which of una among the presenters who manage get husband, get happy home like everywhere at home? Abi, which?
If you get happy home, Naomi gets. No matter what I get. You say I don't fit train I don't fit talk to my wife. He carry pikin run, not be he carry pikin run. I dey tell you now. You say person wey never fit go Nigeria. Ask people wey know me. I get paper under 1 year. I go Nigeria 3 times. Before my paper get problem, I go Nigeria almost 6 times. Now me go Nigeria, go do my pikin paper before I come Europe, before I come do DNA for Europe again. Where do you know? You will make big like man so. You know person. No way they toast yourself now. That man, you too local for woman. You too local for woman as a woman where you say you be. When I see a from room to room here, no Walekia no. I don't call Papa Owala, I don't call her one day. If it's Asa, me no call her one day. I know they call. If people were here, all of them call me, but I know they call. Those people want feed, whose generation want feed? If you feed your generation, not feed my generation. If Papa Owala they feed your generation, precious man, you know feed my generation. Ah, better be you at buy. Oh, better be you at. Zakame, no tell again. Achawota, achawodu wegi. No ga sele polele musiakia. Uwa huagbo menu wo huagbo ni. Wa ro wodo. You are not ashamed of yourself. You cannot make sentence. Sentence will kill you. I just told you I go to school. Did I told you I go to school? I tell you I go from the village. I don't deny my ways. Did I told you I go to school?
When they do something as my neighbor has right, but what can they analyze everywhere that matters for social media? Now they crazy.
Gonna share the video. That's why they say DNA, CNN. You know, say Asha wanna do for Europe. Who are we no give us a bomb as one corner? If you look like a yaya that bad by a set what you can on Latia, not to come in that with yes, sorry, or one women, no matter it. Oh, walk better, precious man. Oh, walk money where you are. Power. Mede, Keru Walaki, ya out there, be set. He get happy home, now go fuck another my wife. Man, when not get happy home, now go the fuck for outside. I want correct you, why I letting you. You say you where they carry back from house to house. They find man where you want fuck. You be better woman, you don't get man for house. As you they talk for this your life, so it's a shout. Man, when see you where they shout like this, no near you. You're a coward. I travel down to woman precious no way to tell the league. When okay, go cut. Wabuwa, Awashawo, Eraweta will be a German Agumobo, Ashawo Pana, Gabashawo, or Ewebo, Wadoge Monodo Bashawo, Ewebo, Awu no gi. 100 of una, only me one go faith. 100 of una, only one go faith. I no call Papa Wala one day. Even if friends when he call me, as at yesterday, when he call me as at yesterday, I no call her one day, I no dial the number. Only person when I call, I be shy, I say, me put quarter down. Plus, when the woman, Angelina come talk to me for solo, not only 2 of their call. I no carry Papa Wala dial. Say I want dial the number one day. I did not do it. I'm a man of dignity. I don't sell my pride because of money. If you get your money, now your house you get. The time of my father, Igbenejo did there. Igbenejo be airport, build all of them. My papa build 6 rooms. Now that's rooms right for trainers. If you know they worship money, I know the person where they worship money, Precious Meg. When I go call and come, do you think I'm a coward? Do you think I'm a static illiterate? I want to do what will make my people to happy. You are a nuisance. Presenting yourself in live video, you talk verbally. You say you be woman. Person like me, as me be illiterate, I don't fit toast you. You are a coward. You will be boo boo boo. You will be Goliath. Say that one way your wife carry pikin, or we don't fit trade pikin. You know, yes, say my first son, I cannot come from Nigeria. Now university go for this country. You don't spend money for a pikin will go university instead of you take off your wife. Because any woman will don't do a shower, they know the film they marry one man. Now some of my papa tell me. Anyone who don't do a shower, they know they marry one man. Now 2 man, 3 9 at the end. You don't see you now. At your age now, you say you be responsible woman, Precious Meg. You don't get man for house. Now you drive your husband. Me buy ticket for my family. Mo go start better life for that country. All of you know as Spain be. Spain and Italy know as it be for the whole world. I buy ticket for a reason. I say you see man winning. Like I go, wait till that one come in. Now you they feed them with the day here. Ask people when know me. Now me pay madam money. That's the Papa Wala no. Ask Papa Wala. Now me pay that woman madam money. Ask people when I call somebody. Papa Wala know this boy. Papa Wala know this boy when I want to call so. Me call this person, man, you are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. I mean, where? Ebola, call your Matthew, here. Irela fi ano wotapa. Okay. Ganeru wana na are Madrid, we na are Madrid. Owe opono bie meni. Ome ga no ya anwu na jokpa da akoko we a. Waya weto ni ewe gwa emano ene ya so akoli ya. Iso amunya yo da agbon. Iya no kan ewe ega opalo osuo lo igbigbi. No we ati e Precious Meg. No you work piani. No se polo li ku ki agbalo piania. No wodo magua. Ola ati e pogun era biye. Keki bi e no gwa gbe ya o. Ma wa so enia. Ika mi last night na wa ala. Owo mi ma se ti kokomo. Owo mi ma se ti kokomo. E mo te ticket no poni ya pare ke no re. We ma change better life. Ewe ga pale suo no we ere me plus we ati plala lumek no gwa suo we would want to take off my generation not anything. Owa won ma set the ticket are Nigeria mehi unupa mejogwa ake ebili kesunu Uwe tieme no de. Udo tieme no de. Uwe tieme no de. Uwe aka deport we are in Nigeria. Me na where we bone. Uwe tieme no de. Udo agume gwa we. Ina we atama we na we. Ina wure we bone since then. Una da no me. Uwe ina una wo kan we na so agu we na dogu we gun. E te pe wo we no de. Okay, le precious plate di gune. Iye precious plate di mami na che 1000 buy. O ti o ni me pino bien ni me. O ti 5 years la webo. Ala deport yen. Ina mo me la webo. Ina mo me no pe la webo. Ah, gbe pa precious plate. Do you know me? Do you know me, precious man? I want to last take back in me. Precious baby can ru wala me ru wala ne. Imagine we come on the way here. Is that it here? I don't call people because of money. Ah, work by precious baby, you know what? Oh well, no, don't feel no kind less here. No say what I saw about CNN. I want to make my people to be joking, make my people to be happy. Not that I don't know how to speak it. I want my people to be happy. I put joke in my profile. Any of you people when they speak, let me say not speak am. I dey put joke. Make my people they happy. What did I get? I have 6 rooms. If you don't go and pay, I own ye. Everyone I feed you, feed the generator. Or feed you with Donny. Now I get by when no give everywhere. I don't want you people. I think I can know. Everywhere is any. You say me not service because now you boys they speak. You say me not service because you now you got to speak so. Because you get to where they smell. Here we New York, boo everywhere. Even I boy, iye o ato mi na gba ma gbe iye o weje. Ya de gbe ti we ba. Ini ma agwa no de ni ma wenu da we matu ni we ya ko ware. Matu. Ya ti ye me ban we ya ti me no de wo ma ka me ko go we no wale my brother. Okay, ya Ebola ya ti we ban ni gwe. Okay. You can't live it because they run your mad. Hey, if you know wala they feed you, he cannot feed me. If he has money for himself. Don't repeat that word again. I did not tell you to call me. I said I will call Papa Uwala. I did not say Uwala should call me. Go and watch all my video. The conversation that we make, me with people make when they say they get recording. When they say me the call, I say, hey, Bisugbe, call him. Now my right to call Papa Uwala, but I don't call. I say, Bisugbe, call him. When that one say you get record, so the record when he get, I want make a plan come out. Make the word see what I talk for inside. Because now what I don't like, you know, when you come, when that woman call me, say, Prophet Atiti, Bisugbe want to talk to you. This how this is waiting for outside, so it's not good. When you come, when I call you, not tell me so you go dey record me any conversation wey you do, what we do. When you don't finish, now you tell say record the day with you. I beg, not be record the way you dey do the thing. I want me you come plan. If you be picking with the turtle, anybody when he set recording, you say you record there with anybody when set recording, you know say na he set recording. Wait till go favor and I go talk. Now wait till go favor and now I go talk. Now that they not bad person. If you want to do conversation now, we dey do conversation. Conversation what we do, not to repair Benin people, not to make Benin people settle, not to make everywhere calm. For instance, that conversation, person when he talk, he say now waiting he take the chop. No be he talking for that conversation, they see the talking for outside. That will not be bad thing. But not to correct them. Any person, anything where person they do for life, you know they do and when not to correct them. If you not put on a mind down, we do this thing. Anybody where they misbehave before, where they chop money for live video, where they do anything, now to correct and not be so that they behave. Not be to come play the video, go and take convert, you come to tell the world, say, now they say they chop. You are not a good presenter. Because you don't know, say you record that, waiting to favor you for throughout this conversation, now you go to talk for side. So, my people, I beg Ibizugbe may come play the video, come out, make people listen to the video. Forget where anything. Because I know the green person record me, I know the record person. I know the green. Me person record me, I know the record person. I dey tell you, I always say I no be presenter. I dey tell you always. As you talk, I see video where you do yesterday. The video where you see yesterday, I see him. Come play the record, you not let her to take. Come and play the recording. Make the world see what I talk for inside. That woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. I block her. That woman, you know the woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. Now she can draw me put for you. You know, say if people tell me as person be, if I don't hear the person, I don't feel conclude. The day when you talk, I say the conversation day with you, I shock. Now that day, I start to find I want to drop body from your body. So, if Ibizugbe, I don't curse you. I never curse you. Now only you want to tell me say you curse my pikin and we make settlement. Put. We don't settle. But this record, when it day with you, I want to make a plan to the world. Any party when I talk for inside, I make the world see him. So I dey tell presenters, any presenter, when you say you want to call me for WhatsApp, I block you. If I want to greet you, I greet you. Anytime when I do video, your matter dey for my mind. I go from here and tell you, say, my brother, our pikin, our family, God will bless you. Say you be presenter. Maybe you, where we do all of the presenter, where we don't pass together, where we don't talk together. I don't feel leave your phone. I go must block you for inside my phone. I don't see and say no now. Now not get help. Few now get help. The rest they be destroyer. How to destroy man, how to destroy woman, either day. I did not talk to you, Precious Meg. Say I cannot make a sentence. I did not tell you I'm a graduate to start with. When I come to this live video, I did not tell you I'm a graduate. I told you I'm illiterate, that graduate, that know the right from the left. Who are you? Who show you boy you say they speak now? Who show you boy you say they speak Precious Meg? When I bring a comment, when they listen to the Oyibo where they speak. We saying they speak Oyibo, so when I bring a saying they speak Oyibo, saying they speak Oyibo.
Enough is enough. My coming back will not be nice. So this is the warning and the message. I mean, people wait there to rock up. When.
Precious Meg, I'm telling you, I've spent 22 years in Europe today, and I achieved something in Europe. I'm spending 22 years in Europe, and I achieved something in Europe. Don't look the way I present myself to public. I want my people to be happy. That's why if I'm doing my live video, I used to put joke. Miss Precious Mary, I bet you cannot write a sentence more than me. I bet you. If she allow me the buy ticket for me and you, move, give me the drop note for me and you. You are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. I coward. Chachawo come wait to the leak. I go to pet you if you try me. I go pet you. Go reach your family for us. I did not talk to you. If I say CNN, it's not your business. I want my people to laugh. DNA. If I say CNN, I know how to talk it. I know how to speak it. I know how to talk it the truth. But I want if I'm doing video, I want people, many people are depressed inside the house. I want them to be happy. That's why I put a joke inside. If you define me, Papa Wala, fuck you. Godfather, the day fuck you now. Now Godfather, the day fuck you now. Godfather, my Godfather, before you know go, oh. If you define me, fuck you, now you all be that. If you go feed your generation, I'm telling the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If you get the money, now you have to get money. Of your go, my see my yiko. If Benin don't dey for inside Benin, my papa build 6 rooms. That's 6 rooms now for trainers. If you people worship money, I don't worship money. I stand by the truth and set me free. If you say more analyze this matter, before I analyze that for 3 months, we'll see the end. If you don't know me, may you know me. And if you reply me again, I'll come back and analyze this matter. Waiting we'll see for this matter. We'll see before 3 months whether we'll not see if I analyze this matter. Whether we'll not go all as with the all on bed. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. If you want me to analyze this, Papa, what that matter, we analyze this. I will start it again. I will offer my phone. Every day I will begin to analyze it. If you don't know how to talk, better learn how to talk. You see your character, all this one I make my run live now. Your character, presenting yourself in life, you talk anyhow verbally. Usman go see you now. Now to come fuck, he go come out. Now to come kele wawa, now you go come, you go come out. You are not a responsible woman. Then they work, now they take responsible. Ashawo the support Ashawo. Ashawo will go for outside. Ashawo the support her because at the 10 men, they don't tie many of our spirit. They don't dull our spirit. We are not fit to behave as a man again. All those Benin women, some of them for inside, they don't weaken our spirit. They are not active as a man again. Now me they see the talk any woman when una know say your husband drive. Say I don't need you again. Now when you be, now also you be. I go carry put for us. The one way there for husband house. I don't feel fucking for a matrimonial room. The one way husband abandon, he go tell me the real truth. I go see us information. The one way husband abandon, fit carry. The one way husband drive. If you're the driver for this domot now, they cannot enter his house. Instantly, they plug on. I go, your plug on because your husband don't drive you. Now me can't get you. Now me can't get you. If you people are talking, you should learn how to talk to people. Not people like us. One word of your mouth, I can analyze it to be thousands. So I can't tell you this morning, if Papa Wala they feed your generation, I'm saying to the world, Papa Wala cannot feed me and feed my generation. Any work when I do work, it's my occupation. It's my living end. I don't worship people that have money. I don't worship them. That's why they say all things cannot be equal. I no call am one day Precious Meg, I no call Papa Wala. The conversation what we do, as we take the for inside the conversation where if Bizukwe say record the day with an Bizukwe not tell me say he want record me when we start the conversation. I will take position people. He say he believe say I go try, I go fit try. If me with a join together, I will try. I don't know say the record me. You will record me where they do conversation. You don't know say they put up for conversation, they put up for recording. Now the side way go favor you, now you go do. Now the side way go favor you, now you go talk, go. But make they come play my home. Make people know. Person when they talk truth, make they come play my home. Make people see ya. If I talk anything bad thing, now then people know say I not be better person. But what I'm doing at the first for, person not the record me, I not the record.